So quick video there is a city. Nag-shoot ko kadali nila ni Phoebe yung anak, and then heading out now to my car, which is shit kanina kay paglabang na ako, nagpahid na yung unang auto na ako. Nya, ahat to busina. Nya, bad pa ng busina nga rin. Yapak kog lalaki paglabang niya amaw kayo. Anyway, nako sa Conroe a bit sa Flinders, and this is good view of the church. And Flinders is just there. There's a train. So muna siyang Flinders Street. Ay saan ka tayo? There you go. So that's Flinders Street. Anyway, gotta go. Kanisya, dugay na kanisya nga rin. Sa unang panahon pa. So I need to update my vlog. Thing is, first na kong upload is like, I forgot, I need to check. First video na to by kay kanang nag-discuss ko about nagkuan ko video ko sa myself when I got my Subaru Crosstrek. Although wala ko tiwas sa so, video ko naka-make. Sa mali. Cashew Square. Yeah. First video was nag-discuss ko about dawat na ko ang Crosstrek sa akong birthday. And the thing is wala na ko i-update after that. So wala na i-update akong vlog after that. That was the first video I had. I just have my Crosstrek, and yeah, it's a nice car. Love it a bit. Maing buntag bay. Grabe ka delayed ang atong uploads, and wala delayed, wala gid tay uploads lately because I'm not feeling well. I'm not feeling into it. But ka-check na ko akong backlog sa vlogs. There's a lot, but anyway, we're gonna do a lot of maybe Super Crosstrek vlogs, or I don't know. Just going out. It's getting cold right now, bro. I'm just trying to modify my Crosstrek. So in the next few videos, it's going to be more on the Subaru Crosstrek or the Subaru XV. I just got the 2024 one, and yeah, mga itong vlogs lately. As wala alam ko surusurus. Kung nagsikog atong city, nagsikog atong lugar, I can show you around Melbourne or Victoria or Australia, but wala man. So muna na akong show ninyo, ha? Tensya na. Anyway, yeah, this is one of the spots here sa city. Ako kayo painting pa. Yeah. So, you go there, that's the city. Mura siya gamay ba, ba't ako yun ka siya. Next vlog I had was like, nag-hike mi ni Laura sa Mount Dandenong. And the thing is, it was a nice hike. But nag-video ako also, and all the rest was just like, appreciating how nice the hike was. So, muto siya. Gusto na siya ka-video. And nag-hike lang ko, dito na rin, ano niya. Yan, maghuman na tong clip, kaninga clip. Kanang, wala na ako mag-video. Nothing happened. Mag-wireless mic ako ba, nakakikita lang as kayo. Quick walk tabay, natangari sa kakahuyan sa Sherbrooke. They call this the Sherbrooke Forest. And, mura siya. Wala na kayo tao kay pudok na hapon. Nugay man ko nilakaw. Na siya. So, let's move on. Go. That's a trail. Those are the woods. Kung ba, dagagbitin tikali, I don't know. Muna siya. I attempted to vlog again with this next clip, and wala mo man. Attempted. Tried. But wala gyapon. At the moment, I'm really backlogged with my videos, and yeah, muna siya si Kwati taron mag-edit ko. Putol ang light. Anyway, magkinita mo ko naman. Anyway, kanang mag-edit. Hindi tayo. Yan na. Yep. The next few clips kay nag-try ko kanang vlog katong nangatumig kanang kuan recycling. So there is Australia na ay kanang recycling 10 cents every bottle. So that's what I did. Tried to film a video but wala pa'y gana. So that's why muna siya. And then I'm in the city right now, so medyo mauwaw and there's like tao around me. There are people behind me, people in front of me. So yeah. But we'll get used to it. Anyway, kanang moto siya. Nakaniut ba kay kung inanaplan sa ato na plantay facility na maka-kuan ka, return ka sa mga ng maski plastic or more on plastic. Yeah, maski plastic nga bottles, if you return it, you get $10. So that's a good thing. Yeah. 10 cents.
Yeah, check that name, please.
10 cents. Yeah. 10 cents. Oh, wow.
And that is just from Saturday to now.
Oh. Imagine if this was not like before when it was like